All right, we all know how awesome our borough is, but now Brooklyn is the home to the Pizza Maker of the Year. What's cooler than that? News 12 Brooklyn's Jacqueline Latanza stopped by the shop, Williamsburg Pizza, to check it out. It's food so good, so unique, so Brooklyn, forget about it.
Nino Coniglio was just 13 when his cousin inspired him to start making pizza.
I wanted to be around him, so I started, I worked at the pizzeria, so I started making pizza, and I would work for free.
Now, several years later, he owns the title of Pizza Maker of the Year, which he brings back to his shop, Williamsburg Pizza.
It's like the biggest honor ever. I've been, waiting to win that competition.
The competition at the International Pizza Expo in Las Vegas is a multiple round event. Nino prides himself on the ingredients that make his pizza so special.
We just put a lot of love and care into it. We use a 00 Caputo flour imported from Italy, the high gluten Americano blend. We make our own yeast.
10 years ago, Nino joined the U.S. Pizza Acrobatic team and won championships while traveling the world.
Some of the best times of my life, just going all around the world for like 3 years, spinning pizzas.
Nino said it can take a year to learn some of the pizza tricks he does, so I decided to give it a go.
Look at that, you just threw a pizza.
Not too bad, but I could use some practice. It definitely looks a lot easier than it is.
Doesn't really do anything for the pizza, but it looks really cool.
Nino said he retired from competing, but now coaches his own team called the Brooklyn Pizza Crew. And for those of you at home who didn't know acrobatic pizza teams existed, don't worry, neither did I.
It's this weird, underground, crazy world.
And that's your forget about it food. In Williamsburg, Jacqueline Latanza, News 12 Brooklyn.